Hi, everyone. Welcome back. My name is Jessica, and I'm happy to see you here today. This video is for English listening practice, so please listen calmly and enjoy the story. Today, I want to talk about traveling and some countries I have visited. Traveling helps me learn about the world and about myself. I will tell you about three countries: Greece, Japan, and Canada. Each place was different, and each trip gave me special memories. First, let's talk about Greece. I visited Greece in the summer. The weather was hot and sunny. I stayed in Athens, a city with a long history. I visited old buildings and famous places, and I took many photos. In the evening, I walked through small streets and ate simple local food. I really liked the fresh vegetables and bread. One day, I went to a small island near Athens. The sea was very blue, and I swam and relaxed. I felt peaceful and happy there. Next, I want to talk about Japan. I went there in spring. I started my trip in Tokyo. Tokyo is big and busy, with many people and lights. I used the train every day because it was easy and fast. I tried sushi and noodles, and the food was very good. After that, I visited Kyoto. Kyoto was quieter and slower. I saw temples and gardens and walked a lot. I enjoyed the calm feeling and the beautiful trees. Finally, I visited Canada in autumn. The weather was cool, and the colors of the trees were amazing. I spent time in a big city and also in nature. I walked near a lake, watched the sunset, and went for a short hike. After that, I drank hot tea and felt warm and relaxed. I also tried pancakes with maple syrup, and they were very sweet. These trips were very special to me. Thank you for listening and practicing English with me. I hope you enjoyed this story. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye, everyone.